Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Volatility in price volume overnight was a little down a little bit from what we've seen the last couple of days. Overall, bean prices are a little bit higher, soybean oil is higher, corn and wheat's lower. In the individual markets in the bean complex, we're still trading the fact the USDA did not find U.S. stocks in addition to what the trade was looking for on their March 1 number, and that could tighten the old crop situation. As far as looking at other soybean fundamentals, most of them are bearish. South American premiums continue to decline. Their crop is bigger than it was a year ago. We're talking about maybe lower Chinese demand. And price differential between South America and U.S. is wide enough that we're actually going to bring more soybeans into the United States from Brazil. We also saw the European meal premiums break because of the lower values in South America. And finally, U.S. farmers are predicted to plant a record amount of beans in 2014, and all those things could put a lid on prices, but still the number one thing we're trading is that the tight U.S. old crop supply. Over in the corn, farmers were very good sellers yesterday in the corn market after this couple of day rally. Fundamentals still pretty much the same in corn. We're watching weather pretty close to get U.S. crop planted on time. USDA did not find additional stocks on their March 1, even though they're bigger than last year. It was a kind of surprise to the bears in the marketplace. And also, new crop acres are a little bit going to be less than what the market had thought. Over in the wheat, we might be down, number one, because of a chance some rains across the southern plains. Number two, some of the logistics here in the United States and Canada might start improving. And number three, world prices are cheaper than U.S. prices, so we might be getting some profit taking in the wheat market. Our weather guy came out with his new forecast for March and April across the Midwest, and he went a little wetter for the U.S. than he thought earlier. Still, there'll be bouts of cool weather moving in and out as we got two systems, one coming out of the northwest that could bring us cooler temperatures, and one out of the southwest that could bring us the rain. So we'll have to watch and see if that happens. We also noted a pretty good rally in soybean oil the last couple of days. There's talk that the Senate may pass a bill that would reintroduce the blend credit. If it does pass the Senate, it has to go to the House, and some people think it might sit there for a while as the House tries to figure out a way to pay for these credits. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That's his favorite class. She was at the football game last night.